And we begin tonight with that Channel 3 exclusive. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us tonight at 11. I'm Erin Connolly.
Hi, everybody. I'm Mark Zinni. One woman says when she came home from the doctor's office, she was in for a very big surprise. Along with her paperwork was another patient's entire medical history.
Yeah, so she reached out to Eyewitness News to give a warning to others about making sure their private information stays private.
It's scary. It's really scary.
It was a typical Tuesday for Jennifer Wiley of Willimantic. After undergoing surgery last December, she headed to a follow-up appointment at this Hartford Healthcare outpatient facility in Manchester. But when she got home, she realized along with her paperwork were 10 pages of another patient's medical records. Everything from a list of their prescriptions to that patient's surgical history.
We trust them with our lives, so we trust them for help in they're broadcasting our information.
Shocked and upset, Wiley informed her doctor's office about what happened. A few days later, she received a request to mail back the patient's records and sign a form agreeing to not share the information. While Wiley says she would never disclose what was in the paperwork, she didn't feel comfortable signing the document.
I didn't do anything wrong. I refused to sign the paper.
The single mom and grandma says she contacted us because she wanted people to know that if it happened to her, it can happen to anyone. So Eyewitness News reached out to Hartford Healthcare, and while they declined to do an on-camera interview, a spokesperson did release this statement. Hartford Healthcare takes all issues regarding patient privacy extremely seriously. We are looking into this inadvertent sharing of patient information and are taking the appropriate actions. What do you hope happens in the future with this?
The information that I have needs to know that I have it.
Wiley also asked that the employee who accidentally released this information be spoken to. Two things Hartford Healthcare has agreed to do.
It was a mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. But the situation, they could have handled it a little different.
Now, Wiley says she will be mailing back the patient's medical history this week. If you believe your patient privacy has ever been violated, you're asked to call the Connecticut office of the Attorney General.